Hey you guys, so in this video, I have a 2012 Prius C right behind me. Today we are going to change the oil. So many of y'all out there probably already know how to change the oil in a car. This is going to be an easy way to do it with this video for this car and many other cars out there. So let's get started. First, what I like to do is jack the car up so I can get my arm underneath the engine. Second, I like to pull the dipstick out just to release some air and also unscrew the oil cap. And just leave it right there for now so I don't lose it. Right now, we're just jacking the car up. I've got the jack stand underneath the car. The car is up. Right here is the drain plug. And then if you guys can see it, right there is the oil filter. All you need is a 14mm socket wrench to remove the drain plug. Let's get started. It's that simple. Should be wearing gloves if you want to keep your hands clean, but I'm okay. I'm just going to let the drain plug fall right into the drain bucket. Can you see that? There it is. This car I like to use Mobil 1 oil filter and Mobil 1 oil 020. Also a new crush washer. It's time to remove the oil filter. What I like to use is Craftsman's oil filter remover. When you turn it, it closes. See how it does that? Especially in hard to reach places like this, because I can't get my hand in there. So we're gonna just put this on. All we gotta do is turn it. It's gonna loosen a little bit. And I think we are good. Alright guys, so while the car is draining, I'm going to go ahead and just clean the engine bay, or at least vacuum it. Got a bunch of leaves in here. I always say a happy car is a clean car, right? If you guys are wondering, this car has about 190,000 miles on it. I might as well vacuum the air filter too. This is a K&N air filter, by the way. It's washable, reusable. Just like that. Clips on, clips off. Okay, we got our drain plug. New crush washer. Just gonna give this a wipe right there. Screw that back on. And then we have our oil filter here. Make sure you put a little bit of oil on the gasket. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna screw that thing right back up in here. Alright, going in. Alright, that's hand tight right now. Okay, what I like to use again is the Mobil 1 020. If you're not sure what kind of oil your Prius takes, usually your oil engine cover cap says right there 020. Can you see that? Right there you go. Let's go ahead and pour it. This car takes 3.9 quarts. I have a 5-quart jug, so we'll just pour until we have about 1 quart left in the jug. Okay, we have our 3.9 quarts in the engine. We're just gonna go ahead and put the cap back on, wipe that down. Oops. Nice and tight. You can check our dipstick. Okay, we're good. We didn't go past the dot. See that little dot right there? As long as you don't go past that. Rule of thumb is start the engine, let it run for a little bit so the oil can circulate throughout the engine. It can go back inside the oil filter, and then you could check the oil dipstick again and then add a little bit more oil if need to be. Now to reset the maintenance light, you want to make sure you're at this screen right here. That's the info screen. So if your car is off, turn your car back on, push trip 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and see it change. And the car has been reset. After doing the oil change, I like to rotate the tires. And this is a good way to clean your rims when you're rotating your tires. You get your son to give it a good wash. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay guys, so I am all set. The car is done. Fresh new oil. That's how you change an oil in a 2012 Prius C and most other vehicles out there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.